Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make this 10 pounds brisket. It's a very simple recipe and it's very delicious. If you like meat, if you like brisket, this is just perfect recipe for you. For today's recipe I have huge chunk of meat. It's a beef brisket. It's almost 10 pounds. Very simple recipe, takes time, but it's worth it because it's very delicious. For dry rub I need paprika, garlic, cayenne pepper, thyme, salt, pepper and bay leaves. To tenderize I use the spicy brown mustard. It will be a very great addition to my brisket. I have very large baking pan, fit my huge brisket. I will rub the brisket with the spicy mustard. It's about 3 tablespoons of each side. For the dry rub I use 4 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, so be spicy, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of thyme, 4 bay leaves. I will crush before the rubbing. Now we mix all my dry ingredients together. Oh, excellent. Briskets, we love briskets. Perfect. Now turn the brisket. Oops, it's pretty heavy. And on a bottom of my brisket I'll pour some water, just a little bit, not much, because when I start roasting a brisket I will have lots of juice from the brisket. Just be careful, just a little bit. I preheat oven 350 degrees and the brisket is in the oven. I will roast for 1 hour. Later on I will change the temperature. See you in 1 hour. 1 hour pass. As you can see, it's more juice. I just pour a little bit water, but now I have more and more juice. I will pour some juice over my brisket. Wow, the smell is amazing. Next step, I'll cover the brisket with the foil very tight and I'll change the temperature to 300 and I will bake 3 hours. It's a 3 hours pass on temperature 300 Fahrenheit. And let's go check the brisket. Amazing. Wow, 10 pounds brisket. Looks delicious. Wow. Let's go check. Wow, it's so soft. Next step, I will turn off oven and I will turn on broil for just 5 minutes and we'll be done. Look at this, huge, yummy. 10 pounds brisket is done. Look at this. Looks beautiful. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please like, share with your friends and family, and comment. And subscribe for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. And see you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.